Every so often while using Excel, you'll see that when you try to press somewhere, so if you look closely at this point, okay, look at my cursor changing from a normal to a hyperlink one. Okay, let me show you. Where is it? You see, you see the link is being shown here when the link is actually here. Okay, and if I try to double click here, look what happens. Where does it go away? If I try to double click here, it clicks on this cell. If I try to double click here, so it's all just by the hyperlink you can tell it's all very confused. And two things that have worked for me is to go into display setting right here, you can see, and make it optimize for compatibility. Okay, and restart Excel, that helps. But second thing, even after doing that, you will still find the issues. Second thing you do is simply change the zoom. Okay, just change the zoom a little bit and you can see now it's working just fine. Okay, all right. I think the issue it has to do with DPI, how much scaling you have set, but that does not help anyone. So that's the solution right now. Just zoom in and out, all right, and make it compatibility and restart once. Okay, see you guys next time.